Okay, now we gotta jump up here. Whew. What do you think? I think it's about 8 to 9 inches. And it's still snowing. Ugh. Yeah, it's the worst when it gets down your edge of your glove and into your clothes on your bare skin. Look at that. It's pretty awesome. Isn't it beautiful out here? It's our walnut grove. Yeesh. There we go. Get some of this weight off of here. I'll go around here too. What do you think, Hayes? Whew. I gotta get all this off too. Ish. Let's see if we can get this open so Annie can see. There she is. This is awesome. There's our windshield wiper. There it is. I like to flip it up like that. I think that might be enough. Might be enough to give us a little bit of ability. We go back in here. Hey, Bushki. Is it gonna work now? Okay, here it is. Yeah! Yeah! Ah! It launched into our house. There we go. Okay, now we can only see a little bit. Nope. Okay, now we're gonna do some snow plowing.
Oh yeah.